How to sign a PDF on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Files application on your phone. From here, navigate to the folder location where your PDF is located and tap on it to open. Once the file is open, tap on the markup icon at the bottom right, which looks like the tip of a pen inside a circle. Tap this icon to reveal the editing toolbar. In the toolbar, tap on the Add Signature and select Signature. This will open up a section where you can add your signature. Sign your name on the line using your finger. Tap on Done at the top right corner. You can now drag the signature to position it correctly on the document. You can also resize it by dragging the corners of the box. From this page you can also change colors as well. Once you are satisfied with your changes, tap on Done at the top right to save the changes. Following these steps, you can easily sign a PDF on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.